I got drawn into this process.
Same.
And I basically told him about it. So, and then I started looking up videos. I found Ray, and I was like, Ray is big and strong and tall like Max. I'm like, Max might like Ray because, we are physical people. We all want to look physically good, and Ray looks physically good. So I showed him to Max, and the way Ray spoke just totally hit the spot. And his looks have a lot to do with it.
His charisma.
Yeah.
Helped a lot. Made him seem a little normal.
Exactly. His balance with life. I love that. The spiritual and the, what do you call it? The physical?
In the process, for me anyway, it made it a little bit more difficult, and I know some of the other people have mentioned it with their roommate, that it was okay, we haven't spoken on the quiet days, that the days we're not supposed to speak or whatever, and like not speaking to each other made it seem like she was mad at me, like I did something, because that's usually what happens when, I guess, we're mad at each other, we don't speak. So it was a little different to come to realize that, hey, we just need our own space, and learning the difference of an argument and being able to have your own time, your own space. So it made that bit of a difference for me.
Yeah, the not speaking was pretty hard. We cheated a few times. Not the first day, it was the second time. But it's all good. It was still great. We still got our quality time to ourselves to do the inner work, and that was awesome. What I loved was that I love that kind of quality time, and I love to have my own space. So I feel like having that experience together, it was kind of like, it allowed us to be like, we're good. We can be in the same room and be to ourselves and do our own thing, and it be totally okay, and there's nothing wrong. And so that I loved that. I feel like now I can be like, okay, well, I'm gonna read a book and have my time to myself, and he can be totally cool with it, or vice versa. Same with him.
And also the yoga instructor that he brought for us, I feel like it was amazing. I've never done yoga before, and it made me realize that, hey, it's possible that I like it. It's not no could, if, ands, or buts. I like it, and it's very enjoyable. He's a very good teacher as well. So like I said, everything that Ray did, put all the process together for everyone to enjoy. It was magnificent.
Something that I do want to say is that whoever does decide to try this, once you do it, you'll never be the same again. Like, you can't. Your consciousness, your awareness towards life, so many little things. Everybody's experience is different, and everybody changes on different levels. But you will not go home being the same person. You just
for the best.
Yeah, for the
best.
better.
It's not like
Exactly.
anything negative or anything that'll change you in a bad way. It's everything for the best. You realize more your true self than anything else. So.
And like, I'm excited to see what's going to come out of our marriage, being that we're on this together now, and we're in sync with what's going on. And it's crazy because now he tells me we're going to go home and juice, and we're going to do it this long, and I'm like, holy crap. Normally I'm the one saying, we're going to do this, we're going to go on this claims, and we're going to do it this long. And he's like, but he'll do it, But now it's like the opposite. Now I'm like, do I want to juice that long till I eat? But the truth is, I feel so full right now. And I've been on only juice. It's like, I have all the energy I need. And it's just so incredible how conditioned we've been for generations, honestly. Like, this to me is luxury living. People want to feel bad for you because you don't eat. No, this is luxury, and I love luxury.